Today we talk about how can you add your education on your pickup. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click here on this sign down here. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. When you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click on this sign, you just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you come here to education, just click in this sign here. Then here can you select here your education in this list here. So when you just select it here, so just add here on your education, go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.